In this video, I'm going to show you how to change email on Deriv account. So there's actually only one way to do this. If you go into settings, so if you click on the bottom left here inside your dashboard where you can see your email, if you click on here and then you go into personal details and you try to scroll down, you'll see that the email field is grayed out. You can't do anything. So to actually change the email, what you can do is ask Amy over here. So click on that. So it's going to open up this chat box, the support chat. And what you have to do here, it's going to say, hi, how can I help you? So we have to basically start a new message over here. You simply have to say, I want to change my email address or something like this. And then after a few minutes, it's going to say, thanks for your patience. And then it's going to say, I can help with that. Do you still have access to your current email on your Deriv account? So in my case, if I had the, of course, email access to this email over here, I'd simply say yes. And then it's going to ask you also what your email address would you like to use. So basically say, yes, I do have access, or no, I don't. And then tell them the new email you want to use. Whenever you do this, you'll be able to basically confirm it, and they will do this for you over here inside the chat. So that's how to change your email on your Deriv account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.